First things first, to appreciate your support. I hope you guys are good. A quick one. If you have a washing machine that pulls in water, drains properly, but the drum won't rotate, number one, check the motor. If it's not run by the inverter, then you have to check the motor. Use the model number to order the correct motor. Before you order the motor, check the carbon brushes. If the carbon brushes are worn out, also the machine won't rotate. So for this model here, this is the inverter that runs the motor. This is the main control panel. This is the inverter, and this side we have the display board. So we're going to replace this. If you check, this one has a physical damage. There are traces of soot over here. So what you're going to do is use the correct model number to order the correct part. Unfortunately, these guys sell a complete panel. Some brands don't sell the inverter separately, so you'll have to order the complete control panel. But if you can manage to get this, then you're okay. So what you're going to do, I'm using another different, same make, same brand. So we're going to remove this inverter and then put it on this one here. So before you pull it out, you have to remove the screws. There are two. I already removed one, so we remove this one here. Then we pull this out like that. So this is the inverter. This is the faulty one, and this is the new one. This is the faulty one. So you take this. So there are two clips. It should fit here. So we screw this one there, another one here. This is the switch, so we fit the switch.